are studying class 3rd C. Is class 3rd C. Subject GSC and date is 15/10/2020. We are studying lesson lesson 14 changing weather. Lesson 14 changing weather. Lesson 14 changing weather. Changing weather. In this lesson, we are going to solve the worksheet 14. Worksheet 14. First, fill in the blanks. First, A. Fill in the blanks. So see the first in the blanks we are going to solve. The first, during the course of a single day, the changes several times. So during the course of a single day, the weather changes several times. So first, you have to fill weather. So first, weather. First, weather, and second, cloudy nights. Cloudy nights are dash 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 than the clear nights. So you have to fill here. Cloudy nights are warmer than the clear nights. So here you have to fill warmer. Second, warmer. Now third, at noon the weather is hot because the sun is overhead and its rays fall straight. So here you have to fill the sun. At noon the weather is hot because the sun is, you have to fill here, overhead. Overhead. Third, overhead. Now fourth, we dress according to the seasons. We dress according to the seasons. We dress according to seasons. Now fifth, Weather helps almost all activities of life. So which weather? Pleasant. Pleasant weather helps almost all activities of life. So here you have to fill pleasant. Pleasant weather. And 6, stormy and foggy weather are always risky. You have to write here risky. So risky. So first you see, during the course of a single day. First you see, during the course of a single day, the weather changes several times. And second, cloudy nights are warmer than the clear nights. At noon, the weather is hot because the sun is overhead and its rays fall straight. Now, fourth, we dress according to seasons. And fifth, pleasant weather. Pleasant weather helps almost all activities of life. And now sixth, stormy and foggy weather are always risky. So this is fill in the blanks. Now we can see T and true and false. Second, we can write true and false. So we make a line here. We can write other side. Write T for true. This is B. It is B. Write T for true and F for false. So we have to write true and false here. So we see the first. First, weather changes very often. Weather changes very often. Yes, it is true. So first, it is true. And second, in hot weather, beware woolen clothes. In hot weather, beware woolen clothes. No, it is incorrect because we wear woolen clothes in the cold weather. So second is the false. In hot weather, beware woolen clothes. This is false. So second is false. Now is the third. It is not safe to travel in stormy weather. It is not safe to travel in. It is not safe to travel in stormy weather. Yes, it is true. It is true. It is not safe to travel in stormy weather. Many accidents may occur. So you can correct it in book. So third, it is not safe travel in stormy weather. Yes, it is true. The sun plays no role in the changing of weather. The sun plays no role in the changing of weather. Yes, it is incorrect because sun plays an important role. in the changing of weather, so fourth will be false. Fourth is false. Now see the fifth. Rains are welcomed by the farmers. 8. Yes, it is correct. Rains are welcomed by the farmers. So fifth will be true. And 6, you see, clouds do not allow the heat of the earth to escape into the atmosphere. Clouds do not allow the heat to escape into the atmosphere. As it is also the true. It is true. So in this way, once again we can see first weather changes very often, as it is true. Now second, in hot weather we wear woolen clothes, it is false. Now third, it is not safe to travel in stormy weather, it is true. Now fourth, the sun plays no role in the changing of weather, it is false, because sun plays an important role. So now fifth, the rains are welcomed by the farmers. Now see the fifth, it is true. And sixth, clouds do not allow the heat of the earth to escape into the atmosphere, it is also the true. So in this way, next time we will study about some questions. Thank you.